Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Kaifa halukum everyone. So today we are going to continue our lecture with topic 7 entitled Container Terminal Automations. So in this chapter we are going to discuss a little bit about automated container and also the industrial revolutions 4.0. So the definitions of definitions of the digitalizations and automations of work through the 4.0 revolution will be eliminate a thousand of job, whether it is true or not. So let we discover on these topics. And then the disappearances of all the fundamental changes of many current occupations. Okay. uh, since now globally have been focusing on IR 4.0, Industrial Revolution 4.0, including container terminal as well. So container terminal has worked based on the current global trends of that been used in industry practice. So on top of that, some ports or container terminals has been applied the semi and fully automated of container terminal. So we call it automated container terminal. Okay. So overview of the automated container terminals. So guys, you can read it over here, and ladies and gentlemen, you can read it from here. So I just briefly explain about this. ACT are defined as a container terminal which advanced automated facilities equipped such as automated key crane, automated yard cranes, and unmanned horizontal transport vehicle. The three common types of horizontal transport vehicles are available are automated guided vehicles, automated lifting vehicle, and trucks. AGV, which is automated guided vehicles, usually are the first choice in ACT for its convenience on the automatic control. So if you can see from these definitions, it's mentioned that the most of the main cranes or equipments at the container terminal has been automated, fully utilized by some um, ports. So if we look at further, the first automated container terminal was the Europe Container Terminal ECT Delta Terminal that located in Port of Rotterdam, Netherlands back in 1993. So this is not the new issue, but actually the automated container has been started before. However, recently it's become the hot topics and issue that everybody are now going to move forward on the automated system. A decades after that, Hamburger Hafen and Logistics AG Container Terminal Altenwalde CTA facility in Hamburg following in 2002. Okay, since now the trends of increase in ACT development happens the most from 2014 till 2017. As of mid-2016, there were more than 1,100 automated cranes in operations in Asia, Europe, US, Middle East, and Australia, handling tens of millions of containers every year. So let me see the difference. This kind of automated container terminal according to the continent. So if we can see that in here, American container, so we have about 2, 4, 6 container that are already almost fully occupied with the automated. In terms of the years of started, yards, storage equipment, and the key yard transfer. Look at the European countries, there are a lot of containers that are already fully occupied with the a number of automated equipment. Having said that, Middle East country also participating in supporting the automated container terminal. In this region, we have about 3 terminals that are already occupied with uh, automated equipment. Two of them are from Jabal Ali Container Terminal 3 and 4. So furthermore, we are looking at the Asia country. So there are a lot of container terminal that has been fully utilized by using equipment, automated equipment, if you can see it from here. Okay. And then Australia also still in the same flow with other continent. The automated container terminal has been um, driven by Industrial Revolution 4.0. What is exactly the definitions of Industrial Revolution 4.0? It is the digitalizations and automations of work through the 4.0 will have enormous impact on workforce. Digitalizations and automations of work with existing capacities of artificial intelligence, distributed larger system, cryptocurrency, advanced material, biotechnologies, and etc. So we can say that IR 4.0 is characterized by increasing automation and real-time orientation control systems to ensure that people's jobs are good, safe, and fair. According to these two gentlemen, is one of the famous professor Stephen Hawking, the automations of factories has already disseminated job in traditional manufacturing, and the rise of artificial intelligence is likely to extend these job disruptions deep into the middle classes, which only the most caring, creative, or supervising through remaining. According to Elon Musk, and artificial intelligence is something that is risky at the civilizations level, not merely at the industrial risk level, and that's why it really demands a lot of research. From this figure, we can see that from this figure we can see that the movement of industrial revolution from 1.0 to 2.0 to 3.0, and now we are at this level, industrial revolution 4.0. What talent are required for each particular level? Now in this 4.0 level, industrial revolutions, we require these particular talents: learning, agility, adaptability, empathy, and transdisciplinary. So multidisciplinary or transdisciplinary is very important for us currently in order to cooperate with the cyber physical system, Internet of Things. So automation falls out. If you can see from this figure, there are a little bit explanation about what will be happen next. Changing workforce mix by 2022. 9% of the workforce will be deployed in a new job that do not exist today. Might be 37% will be deployed in a job that have radically changed skill sets, and 54% is expected will fall under unchanged job category. So there are a lot of discussion has been done about this automation system. Look at from the container terminal point of view. So we have two different sets of workers. So first one is human decisions makers supervising human operation. The second one is human operators. So while adapting AI implementation, artificial intelligence, we are expecting that human decision makers and supervising AI operations will be remain there for the human management, human expert, retain management position. However, the implementation of AI is mainly on operational side. So from having these particular persons or workers at operation side, then now is already changed the systems. We are not longer using people or human or worker to work for us, but we are depending on the equipment, automated equipment per se. Then human operator replaced by AI. What will be happen to the human workforce? Is it a jobless will be happen, or we have to think another positive way to change the skill set of the human, instead of we are now depending on automated container to work for us. Now we are managing the system itself. Perhaps the new set skill will be required. So this is the top 10 skills required nowadays in 2020 this year: complex problem solving, critical thinking, creativity, people management, and etc. So this is some sort of the layout of the fully automated container yard. So accident in the container ports also one of the reason why we required automated container systems, because based on some research determined that 70 to 80% of accident in container ports are due to the human error. So if we can see around this area, then we found that yeah, it is very true. So this is some sort of the advantages and disadvantages of IR 4.0 on automated technologies. We can see that this is some studies that has been done related to container terminal operation or container terminal automations. You can read it, and this is the gaps. What will be the human workforce sustainability within automated container terminal? We have to figure out the key component of automated container terminal as what it is. So we go through one by one quickly. So about this is the new component part of STS. Okay, ship to shore container cranes using automated, and this also the informations of that, what type of skill required. And now we are talking about AGV navigation system. What is AGV? AGV is the automated guided vehicle, basically move container from the building area to the storage yard. So we are not using people anymore, is everything has been automated, and we are required skill and knowledge and skill for the workers. And we also have this gantry crane, automated rail mountain gantry crane, ARMG. So is that the container handling machines located in the container yard. Okay, this also has been fully automated. However, in order to be good worker in this particular area, we as a worker have to understand about the knowledge and the skill on how to manage this equipment. We also have ARMG layout, automated rail mountain gantry crane, which was the popular design at the beginning. So this is the functions of ARMG. So we also have like this kind of equipment, CARMG, so which is mainly for rail mounted gantry crane. If we can see, this is two different situations. Manual STS, a crane operation, ship to shore, and automated ship to shore. If we can see that from here, we are required person to work on here. Then we have truck with driver inside of the truck, and then it's going to go to the container yard. There's people are working on that. So here there are the difference. You see that we, at this store we need stowage operator on site, we need a key crane operator within the cabin, we need a prime mover drive on site. However, after applying or implementing automated container STS crane operation, we no need to have people in between. So from this, there's no people here, there is no driver here, there are also no people are looking at this. Only all the system can be managing in front of the screen at the system. And now we come to the end of this topic. What you guys need to do, ladies and gentlemen, so you have, according to the explanation in these topics, you need to come out with these particular questions. What are the advantages and disadvantages of IR 4.0 automated technology? Please give me 5 elements, or 5 points with a short explanation about advantages and 5 points with short explanation about disadvantages of that. And this is the end of the topic 7. Stay safe, stay at home, and make sure that you are happy and enjoy your study online. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum.